The journey of Shilajit Energy Drink begins at its natural source.
Pure water forms the base of Shilajit Energy Drink. Active energy components are refined.
Nutrients are precisely prepared. Taste begins with careful selection.
Materials are secured for transport.
The supply chain begins moving. Farms connect to factories. Speed drives production. Arrival at the facility. Precision handling begins.
Materials enter processing.
Automation begins. Hygiene control is maintained.
Materials await processing.
Production begins. Water is purified to meet strict production standards. The base liquid begins its controlled preparation. Sweetness is infused into the formulation. Constant motion ensures perfect consistency. Concentrated flavors define the drink's identity. Energy components are added with precision. Nutritional balance is achieved. Temperature control preserves quality. Uniform texture is created. Carbonation system prepares activation. The signature fizz is introduced. Pressure ensures consistent carbonation. The drink moves toward its final form. Temporary storage maintains flow continuity. Quality is verified before bottling. The drink is ready for packaging transformation. Bottle creation begins from compact preforms. Shape is formed with precision pressure. Cooling stabilizes bottle structure.
Every bottle meets strict quality standards.
Cleanliness ensures product safety. Precision alignment prepares for filling. Filling begins with exact calibration. Each bottle is filled with precision volume. Stability ensures clean filling. Sealing begins instantly after filling. Tight sealing preserves freshness. Every seal is verified. Branding is prepared.
Identity is placed on every bottle.
Traceability ensures accountability.
The product moves toward final packaging. Bottles are organized into consumer-ready packs.
Protective wrapping secures the product.
It forms a compact and durable package.
Cooling locks the packaging into shape.
Secondary packaging adds structure.
Cartons take shape for bulk handling. Products are packed for shipment. Secure sealing protects the contents. Digital tracking ensures inventory control. Weight verification maintains consistency. Automation increases efficiency.
Pallets prepare for stacking.
Precision stacking. Precision stacking maximizes space. Wrapping stabilizes the load. Identification ensures traceability.
Products enter storage before distribution.
Finished products enter organized storage systems.
Internal logistics maintain continuous flow. Storage is optimized for large-scale distribution. Digital systems track every unit. Orders are prepared with precision.
Shipment staging ensures timely delivery.
Transport vehicles prepare for loading.
Automation assists final transfer.
Products are loaded for delivery.
Safety ensures damage-free transport.
As some as you go.
Final checks guarantee readiness.
Distribution begins beyond the factory.
The journey continues across markets.
And this is how modern factories produce Shilajit Energy Drink from start to finish.
A complete system of precision and scale. Discover more journeys of industrial production.